Welcome to the future of clean water. Experience the ultimate in water purification with a Waterdrop G3P800 reverse osmosis system. Your gateway to crystal clear, healthy, and great-tasting water, straight from your kitchen. Imagine sipping water so pure, it's certified by the highest standards. NSF/ANSI 42, 53, 58, and 372. Say goodbye to harmful contaminants like PFAS, lead, and fluoride, and hello to fresh, clean hydration. With a massive 800 gallons per day capacity, this tankless RO system delivers a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, saving water and ensuring efficiency. Plus, it filters a cup of water in just 5 seconds, perfect for busy families. The 10-stage filtration system eliminates everything from chlorine to radioactive substances, giving you peace of mind with every sip. And the sleek, smart faucet not only tracks water quality, but lights up with an LED that lasts a staggering 50 years. No bulky tanks, no compromises, just a stylish, space-saving design that fits seamlessly under your sink. Installation is straightforward, with just 2 simple holes for the faucet and drain pipe. Your kitchen deserves this upgrade. Subscribe now for tips, tricks, and all the latest innovations in water purification. Hit that play button and transform your family's hydration journey today.